Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We're playing some Super Animal Royale, and we got some really good, hopefully really good things coming up for you. So stick around to the end. So yeah, let's get started. See you in the round. I'm sorry, I forgot to introduce my friends, Sword X, aka Weston, and Zane, which aka Zane29. So yeah, these are my friends. You guys can't hear them, but I can because I'm in a call with them. I'm trying to fix that, but you know, it's been an ongoing problem. So yeah, here we go, and we start right now. Go, 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 go. We all know that the pros drop at the start. We always know that. We gotta do this. Yes, sir. I see a super right laser gun. It's my calling. On the first 3 days of the super right laser gun being added, I already had like the blue skin for it. I like grinded so hard for it because, yeah, I know, like 50 kills. Yeah, you have to get like 50 kills with it. Or something like that. Ooh, great. Watch it be a trap. Oh my gosh! Who needs a super right laser gun? I have two. Okay. I'm coming into the banana place. He has a bomb in here for no reason. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! I'm running out. He's faster than me, no. Oh no! He took my only state of transportation. Zane, you're not coming out of there. You're not coming out of there, boy! Bang! You wanna get a super high laser gun? Here you go. On the house. I already have one. Zane already has one. We all have super high laser guns. Let's go. We all have super right laser guns. That means we're OP, and we gotta stick together, guys, so that if somebody gets like remotely near us, we can all just let out a machine gun worthy plethora of bullets. Big words. I read the dictionary. How dare you try and do it? I do, but I do. Why'd you hurt that emu? Now I can't use it. I just stubbed my toe on my table. It hurts so bad. But I'm not gonna scream like this. Ah! Loud sound warning because that, you know. So there's like nobody here. Where is people? I'm gonna skip until we find people because you know content. Every healthy breakfast starts with a health fruit. There's somebody right here. There's somebody. Got him. Hold still. Hold still. Oh, you're already reviving him. Let's go. We got this epic pistol. I'm gonna put this right there and right there. I'm gonna put that right there. No, I started recording when I ate the health fruit. You guys didn't even know I was recording. Ha, ha, I'm too good. Oh no! More interesting stuff. You said that nothing interesting was going on. Something did happen that was interesting. Guys, it's literally right down here. Oh my gosh! Oh, you're bad. Somebody's right here. There's people right here. Die, please. Got him. If I get both these kills. Help, 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 help! People! Oh, they're coming for you. They're right there. Oh my gosh! You guys have no reaction to things. You guys didn't scream at all. You just accepted defeat. Wait a minute. Are those animals crossed out on that board actually people who died in the round? It has a picture of Zane on the top, and it's not crossed out. Hey, it's me! Just with different clothes on, definitely, right? To the next round! Looks like a great day for the museum. I love the museum, so peaceful, and with some weird sculptures. Oh my gosh! Are you a banana worshiper? No touching the artifacts! Get over here! Ah! Okay, so here we go. Drop because I said so. Wiggly umbrella, wiggly umbrella, wiggly umbrella, jiggly wiggly umbrella. Come on, bro. Oh, I think Weston just died. I think he just went AFK. Don't you dare take my stuffs. My stuffs is my stuffs. Bro, I got a sniper. And an emu. Without the Doug. That's mean. I'm not gonna say that to my fans. Ain't no way you just got a Thomas gun. Show me the proof. Show me the proof. Weston's dead. Oh my gosh. By the way, he said, wait, what did you say that I said I wasn't gonna say? He said, too bad I don't have a life. Rude. He's rude, you mean. Meanie. Meanie banini fofini. Oh my gosh. Ain't no way I just knocked down somebody. Got him! Sniped him! Well, too bad for you. I thought you had a Thomas gun, my guy. I have a deagle too. I had a beagle, his name is Deagle, and I gave him my deagle, and then he bit it, and then it went pow pow, and we don't say what happens next. Come on, bro, I need more tape. I need more tape. Actually, wait, no, I can't say that. That's copyright, I think. I don't know. Ooh. My calling! My calling! It's my calling card. Let's go to delivery mall because I want to. We'll see you when we're at delivery mall unless something happens. Okay, so we came to the delivery mall and no one's here except for a bunch of graves. So, you know, that's always welcoming, right? Pretty sure delivery mall should be around here somewhere. Hello? Delivery mall? Hello? It's me, Yellow. I want to strip you of your good items. Okay, so it looks like nothing's happening right now, so you know. Another delivery mall. It would be a good idea to go grab it, right? People! Run him over! Help. Knock one down. Killed him, kill him, kill him. No, no, Zane! He's one shot, yes! I'm dead. We're dead. Oh, man. Oh, wait, did we get top 5 at least? We got 7th place. So, you know, we were only 2 people against some teams of 4s since Weston went AFK. So, you know, we did pretty good. So since we didn't get in top 5, could you at least subscribe? Could you at least like? If we would have gotten in top 5, I would have said subscribe, but you know, we didn't get that far, so at least leave a like, you know, man. It's always nice to do that, you know. Everyone loves their likes. Duos? You want to do a duos? Okay. We'll see you in a duo. You know that banana thief guy? He got away. I don't want to talk about it. Here we go! I forgot to start recording, but we died, so sorry. I'll make sure to record next round better. Dun 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 dun. Will he make it out? Dun 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 dun. He made it. Good job, Zane. Goodbye. We died. So riveting gameplay. Ready? We're dropping, boys. Here we go. I think we might have enough. We only have 5 minutes left in this recording until we run out of time because YouTube wants to, hurt me, but so hopefully we can record this entire thing. Maybe not. It might get cut a little bit. Someone just died there. That seems interesting. Hi. Zane, help. Content! Peak content, yes. Riveting gameplay. Riveting. Riveting. Am I right, Zane? Riveting. Down the hallways we go, down we go, Grab the level 3 armor, yeah. Here's an AK for you, Epic dual pistols, actually. Is somebody in here? Somebody in the dining room. Skunk gas is advancing. Oh. Let's go see if we can find some Let's go see if we can find some content. Opponents. Going to delivery mall because we can. This is probably a bad idea, but I need content. Yeah. You like my rhymes? They definitely rhymed. No, delivery mall's gone. Somebody's here. Content, riveting gameplay. Die, please. For content. So many people, so many tragedies, and riveting gameplay. Mine. I can't. I'm dead. Well, I kind of stink at this game. Not really, but my viewers are getting to be able to see the whole half side of this. So, unless we can record another match in 2 minutes, then then this isn't gonna be. Then I'm gonna have to stop here. So it's not like I'm gonna do a time. Nighttime, I'm dancing in the darkness, dropping in. I think there's people in here. Let's see. There is. Oh, Lord Zane, I'm probably gonna die here. Die! I'm hitting this shoot button like I hit the subscribe button. Wink, wink. It's just random clips. It's not an actual time lapse. Oh my gosh! Took somebody down. Help! Help! I'm dead. Well, we died, and that's right at the 14-minute mark. So, that's going to be our last thing we do here. Like and subscribe.